and today I have some mermaid slime, and I have my food because I always gotta get a little snack. The chair went forward. I feel like going to my room, but there's like a table, so the slime is really sticky, so I can just like in my room. So I don't have to like get anything sticky. So I'm gonna just get some stuff back, because these are my mom's stuff, by the way. So this is a good whole place right here. Don't mind this right here. It's just for like the camera. So here, I already put all the stuff in. I'm sorry, but like I put the stuff in. There's some pearls, some sprinkles, and some mermaid shells. And it's like blue ocean, because the thingy is called mermaid. So this mermaid slime is like really stretchy and sticky. I have activator, so like I could add some. Just like I feel like I call it a cheese can. Okay. We'll wait for that. Okay. But yeah, you can actually see all the stuff on like here's the seashells. Here's the seashells. And here's the little pearls. You can like, see the pearls everywhere. And the sprinkles are great, so you can't really like see them. But I can't either. So yeah. So, here's the pearls. Guys, if you're wondering where I got this at Walmart in the slime section. So this is really cute, and I'm gonna try not to like get it on clothes, because my mom said if I do, she's gonna grab me. But this is a pearl, very cute, and I'll try to grab a seashell. Here's one. Here it is. It's like a pink with some glitters, Mattel glitters, and there's some like gray glitters in it. They're like little lines. I didn't take out everything yet. Like I'm scared, but like okay. Let's see if it sticks to the table. Okay, it's done that. I guess we'll take my slime out for a little run. Ignore the back, because that's me watching it. Okay. Here it is, guys. It's so freaking... It's so beautiful. I never thought it would be like this. Yeah, guys, if it ends, then don't worry. I'm still gonna post this, but I'm gonna try to as hard as I can to like show you all about the details about this slime. So about the slime, it's like really kind of sticky for like real slime, but like I think this was used as like clear glue with some paint, because how call it? Because this is like a blue ocean color, so like there's a box under my feet, and I'm literally like I call it putting my feet in a box. Look how beautiful this is.
Or you will have bad luck for the rest of your life.
Bad luck for the rest of your life? Come on, just hold my hand. You want bad luck for the rest of your life? Just 2 seconds max. Come on. Okay, ready? I'm ready. Okay, there. No, you didn't even do it. Come on, you didn't do it properly. I did it. No, everyone saw it. I did it. Oh, come on, Moody. Okay, there. I touched it. You seen it. Okay, fine. But Siri, come on, you haven't even told us. Are you even excited to be here? Like, are you excited to be in this video with us?
If so, can you let me join in on the video?
Here's the sign, guys.
I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to get started too. So you're not saying anything though. Bud.
Okay, let's start off with the fly potion. Santa, I think you are going to win this challenge.
Oh, you think I'm going to be winning this challenge? Thank you, Siri. Thank you so much. But oh, you want to make it fair? Can't just say that I'm gonna win. You don't even know that yet. Moody might win. Yeah.
Okay, sorry, Moody will win.
What? No. No. What do you mean? Moody will win? Oh my God. Okay. You know what? I think we're just gonna go ahead with the first trade, which was right potions, I think.
Okay, guys, I really love this slime. It's really stretchy.
So we're gonna see who is going to be getting the best trades. I'm gonna tell for the gift right now.
Oh, so it does have like metallic glitters on the mermaid shells.
Wait, let me ask her. Siri, do you need one fly potion or do you need 4 fly potions? Okay, alright, 4 fly potions. Alright, I guess let's get started. Okay, someone else is trading fly potions over here.
Guys, I have a cat and a dog in here. I have one dog puppy in here, and I have 2 cats in here. My cats don't really like my doggy, so like, you know. But my parents are in the kitchen right now.
They probably have more good things in their inventories too.
And the 2 cats are couples.
Oh no. Okay, I'm sending some trade requests over here. I'm pretty sure this person. Oh, they just got rid of it. Oh no. Okay, let's keep on sending trade
Taking off
requests
all
over
the slime
here. Oh
off.
my God, someone has a unicorn called vegetable. That is adorable. I see an evil unicorn right here. Imagine.
I'm gonna eat a little bit of my food, guys, because you know, I kinda hungry, so I'll be back.
Oh my God, but this one is actually called vegetable. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put it for fresh potion soup. This person has to offer a candy cannon. Hello. I love that. Oh my God. That is so cool. That's so exciting. Wait, no one is accepting my trade request though.
I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna let my slime here. I'm back, guys. And I got my slime again. Look at that. I know. I want the blue boat. That one's beautiful. Wow. This one is rose. Wow. I'm back from my little lunch break, guys. Can you like play this ASMR, please, guys? Doesn't that sound beautiful?
Next thing you are going to trade is a tombstone. You have to trade it. You have no choice. If you don't trade it, I will hack your account and steal all your products.
What? Oh my God! We need to trade. We need to trade tombstone, and if you don't, she's gonna hack our account and steal all Robux. Yeah, I think I got here. So we're trade on it to get ready to trade. Oh my God! Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to trade too. This is crazy. Oh my God! This person right over here has a candy cannon. Let me try to trade this person right over here. Excuse me. Oh, they're running around.
Well, I feel like that was sci-fi for some reason because of like the noise. Everything be silent. Wait, guys, I'm gonna turn off my TV. Not like turn it off, but pause it. So I can see the noise. Loud. Here. Can I turn back on the TV, guys? Because it's like got quiet.
Nicole, I'm trying to pour a can right now, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna not accept this. Okay, let's see what this person's offer. Nothing like no. This person has a giraffe.
If you don't know who I am, Sana, and she's a Roblox YouTuber. She loves to dot me a lot. So, yeah. And I watch all her videos, all her old videos, because I really love her Beast videos. Her Beast. And I'm going to start posting now, guys, because I don't start posting anymore. For some reason, I just stopped. And, oh yeah, I stopped because my camera broke. Okay. Yeah, my camera broke, so now I have to use my mom's phone. If I don't post, that means my mom's phone was being used. Okay, guys, but that's all for today. It was just about this beautiful slime, guys. If you don't know where I got this at Walmart. It comes with the little packs, so I just took them out. Oh yeah, here's some of the beads. Beads. And I'll be getting the rest.
Four neon Arctic reindeers? Oh my god, you should definitely accept that, Moody. Oh, I'm so going to if they accept. That is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, are they gonna accept? Please accept, please accept. I really don't know. Are they going to? I don't know, I'm nervous.
Okay, I'm back. And these are the seashells. And they have like small glitters inside, like super small. And this is the glitters. I'm gonna add some in, because this doesn't really have any in. There, guys, isn't that too much of the glitter? We just mix it up and it's gonna be like left. So don't worry, guys. I'm not really a glitter lover because the glitter gets everywhere. Really. Should I add some more seashells? I think I should. Okay, now I put some on that. Here's another one without slime. 6 size. Okay, time to mix. Okay, let me get these stuff out of here. Oops. I spilled some glitter. I'll clean it up with oh, that was really close to the bus. I did a slime video a long time ago. It was with Nickelodeon slime, and it was like so sticky. It got everywhere, bro. I just want to be somebody.
Oh my god, a golden pet. Oh my god, no way, totally perfect. No, never mind. I never got it.
But anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. If you like it, comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit the notifications every time we post. I will try to post every twice a week. So yeah, bye guys. And I got this at I call it. I got this slime at Walmart in the toy station.